Ngabe linjani Mahlabezulu owenu ngohloniphani Ncube olifundela njalo licubungelela indaba zenu kusixhingi senu amahlabezulu TV. Sizoqala ngezokuqala ezishisayo, ngathi indaba zethu zonke ke ziyashisa njengoba lisazi lapha kusixhingi sethu ukuthi ngisangaqala ngoludaba olulodwa, kodwa ke ngicine ngibamba indaba ezinenginengi akufanani ke lesixhingi sesilungu esinye engiqhela ukusisebenzisa. Siqale ngokuqala ke owayengu Marshall kubutho lase-Zimbabwe owayengumsekeli ka-Marshall uMchena usebuye njalo khuluma ku-video le engizobe ngiyikhombisa kulesi sigxingi, waveza ukuthi ke iZimbabwe ibe lesisekelo sombuso sayo sakuqala esibunjwe ngabantu bakwele Zimbabwe, njalo leso sisekelo sombuso kumele sihlonishwe silandelwe, njalo ukubeke kwabasobala ukuthi ke labo abalenhloso yokuthi kuguqulwe isisekelo sombuso kwelase Zimbabwe ubabize njengabo somathuba, njalo wathi balamawala ukuvezile ukuthi abantu abanjengabo Ziyambi ababebetheswe umthwalo wokuthi babone ukuthi ke ithemu kaMnangagwa ingangezelelwa kanjani ngeminyaka emibili, esho egcizelela ukuthi yikho kuphela ababekuthunywe libandla leZANU-PF. Kodwa ke bona ngenxa yamawala baya nganeno kwalokho ababekuthunyiwe, sebefuna ukuguqula isisekelo sombuso wonke. Njalo uthi ke laba abatsha abakhokheli beZANU-PF abeze lo mbuso kaMnangagwa ngemva kokungenelela kwebutho ngomnyaka ka-2017, uthi laba bantu balamawala kakhulu, njalo cinga ukuthi kuZANU-PF umuntu uyenelisa nje ukuthola isihlalo ngemali, esho ukuthi abanye babonakele bengena ke kuZANU-PF besiyaphatha kuqula labantu ke abaphethe iZANU-PF elibizwa ukuthi yi-Central Committee, kodwa kubeka mgceke ukuthi kusetshenziswe imali ekwenzeni lokho okuyinto engajwayelekile ikakhulu kubandla leZANU-PF, njalo esithi ke lokho yinto embi, umkhuba omubi kakhulu, njalo ubuye wakhuluma ngamanye ke ababephethe ibutho ababengani bayaphikisana laye abagoqela uMashingaidzi, wathi hayi akazukulwa kakhulu nabo ngoba labo ke basebenza bonke ekutheni balethe inkululeko yakuleli lizwe. Kodwa ke ukuvezile ukuthi okwachiwo nguMashingaidzi akahambisani lakho, njalo wakubeka kwaba mhlophe ukuthi yena lequla laba bephethe ibutho njalo labanye abavela ke kuMashingaidzi bavumelana lokho abakuphanyeka ke eParliament, khona ukuthi ke ngemva kokuba iParliament isicubungule incwadi yabo izobuya ijikele kubo ibaphendule ngoba bayibheke ngamehlo abomvu ke leyo mpendulo. Ubuye njalo wakwenza kwacaca ukuthi ke ma iZANU-PF isiyingozi kulizwe laseZimbabwe, lokho kuzobalula ukuthi ke abaphethe ibutho laseZimbabwe baphakame bayimise, njalo ukwenze kwacaca ukuthi ibutho laseZimbabwe limqaphile umnumzana Mnangagwa kanye leZANU-PF, bambhekile mihla namalanga ukuthi uphatha kanjani ilizwe, njalo makumele bavikele ilizwe bazophakama balivikele ilizwe. Simuzwe ke ekhuluma.
When the resolution was passed, the resolution had one item, which was the same item that was put on the resolution of the 2024 conference. That was the issue of exploring the issue of extending the presidential term. That those are the terms of reference of the resolutions as far as it was published.
Okay.
But the proposed amendments is a host of other amendments that therefore change the context of the resolution, and that changes the context with which the drafting team was assigned by the ZANU-PF resolution. And it was in that context that we sat as a group of retired senior military officers and all veterans who have also served in the public service, and we felt we had an obligation to have that corrected through our submission to Parliament. We haven't got any responses yet, and we are not expecting one now. We hope that as the consultative process goes through, Parliament will consider our submission. It is important when we talk about the Constitution of Zimbabwe to understand that at independence, the Constitution that brought Zimbabwe was a British-induced constitution. It was not the will of the people of Zimbabwe. The people of Zimbabwe expected a Bush to office outcome, a constitution that they would call their own. So the 2013 constitution is the first, in my view, Zimbabwean constitution that has got the character of the people of Zimbabwe. The people of Zimbabwe, when they came up with the 2013 constitution, there are certain areas in the constitution where they were very clear that amending those areas required the people's consent, and the people's consent can be got through a referendum.
Understood.
Yes. So by coming up with a host of resolutions and also deciding that a referendum was not required, because the Constitution is very clear, Chapter 4 of the Constitution is very clear, a referendum is required if there's any amendment to that chapter. I've been in ZANU-PF for well over half a century, and I believed in the principles for which ZANU-PF was created.
Siye phambili ke kundaba ezilandelayo ke owavela lo mnumzana uBlessed Geza wasekuqaleni lapho ke bebika izindaba zabo kuntatheli uNox Chivero nguye ke osezo phatha intambo zalokho bekusenziwa ke ngumnumzana Blessed Geza. Sinanzelele ukuthi umnumzana Blessed Geza uke wadala ukuthi umnankagwa angaboquthi ubuthongo lapha kade lwisana lombuso wakhe, abuye njalo alwisane lokuthi ufuna ukubusa ilizwe kuze kuyofika u2030, aveze okuningi obekusenziwa ngumnankagwa njalo emethesa amacala okubulala labo ke ababephethe ibutho esibabone besifa kakhulu, ikakhulu sibheke umnyaka ka2017 sisiya kumnyaka lo esikuwo ambona kubaviki nje amabili adluleyo bekungcwatshwa abanye abathathu ke National Heroes eka okuyinto eyayibikwe nguBlessed Geza. uNox Chivero ephatha intambo kumnumzana Blessed Geza ukubeke kwacaca ukuthi khona ume ezinyaweni zika Blessed Geza, njalo esho ukuthi akekho umuntu ke ongavala ngingathi isikhala esishiwe ngumnumzana Blessed Geza, kodwa ke uzothatha intambo aqhubekisele phambili umsebenzi ka Blessed Geza, lapho ke naye avele wakubeka kwabasobala ukuthi abasekeli umnumzana Mnangagwa ukuthi abuse ilizwe kuze kuyofika umnyaka ka2030 njalo kabasekeli lento ayenzayo ukuthi ke achithe isisekelo sombuso kwelase Zimbabwe ukuveze kwacaca ukuthi lokho bazolwisana lakho eveza njalo lembono ukuveze kwacaca ukuthi uyasekela ke umnumzana retired General Chiwenga lapha aqhubeke khona ecutha amazwi ke avezwe nguChiwenga emalangeni lapha kade ethi babe ngalweli ukuthi kube ngabantu abalutshwana abenelisa ke ukuthi badle imnotho yaseZimbabwe kodwa babelwela ukuthi wonke uZulu jikelele waseZimbabwe abe la kufumanayo kumnotho welizwe ngokufaneleyo njengaye wonke ke umuntu ke simuzwe uNox Chivero ekhuluma.
Revolutionary greetings, fellow Zimbabweans. This is yours truly, Comrade Nox Chivero. Today I stand before you not as an individual seeking political office, but as a servant of history, a patriot summoned by the cries of a nation, called to carry forward a struggle that belongs to all of us. This is not an individual fight. It is the fight of every Zimbabwean mother who goes to bed hungry so her children may eat. It is the fight of every young person whose dreams are suffocated and shattered by unemployment, oppression, and hopelessness. It is a collective fight, a fight for the heart of Zimbabwe. Whether you belong to ZANU PF, Triple C, MDC, NCA, Transform Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe Rainbow Coalition, LEAD, or any other party, it is the fight of a nation crying for dignity, justice, and freedom. It is a fight of a people feeling abused and dehumanized by its own government. It is a fight for a government that respects the rule of law, a government by the people and for the people. My late brother, my comrade in arms, Blessed Ernest Geza, Comrade Bombshell, gave everything to this cause. He did not whisper in the face of injustice. He roared like a lion. He spoke for the voiceless when silence had become a survival tactic.
Kwezilandelayo uThemba Mliso uyaqhubekela phambili ke elwisana lo mnumzana Chiwenga ongumsekeli kaEmmerson Tambotso Mnangagwa njalo ke obonakala elwisa isikhundla kumnumzana Emmerson Tambotso Mnangagwa ukuthi la ke aphathe ilizwe and kuyakhanya kusobala ukuthi laye uMnangagwa akafuni ukuthi umnumzana Chiwenga aphathe ke ilizwe. uThemba Mliso ke uwethusele njengenjwayelo kakhulu amalunga ePolitburo leCentral Committee wathi kabenzi ngokwaneleyo ekuvikeleni umnumzana Mnangagwa ekuhlaselweni njalo waveza umnumzana Chiwenga njengomuntu ophikisana lombuso kaMnangagwa ekugquzela umnumzana Mnangagwa ukuthi kumele abone ukuthi uyamphithumela ngokusheshsha njalo esithi uyazi ukuthi uMnangagwa uyathatha isikhathi sakhe esokuthi ahlasele kodwa ekugquzela ukuthi ke ma ethe uyahlasela lokho kuza ngemva kokubana ke kuZANU PF ngingasho ngithi kunzima kuleli abandla kuliwa okukhulu ongakaze ukubone mihla namalanga ekakhulu kulamalanga sibona kuliwa kakhulukazi kwezinye indaba ezilandelayo ke uRuthendo Mathinyarare obesekela umnumzana Emmerson Tambotso Mnangagwa njalo elwisana lezi jeziso zomnotho ezabekwa ngamazwe angaphesheya kunye lelase Melika umangalise uZulu lapho ehlamukela umbuso kaMnumzana Emmerson Tambutso Mnangagwa ethi ke ukuqhubeka busa kuze kuyofika u2030 angeke akusekele njalo ke umnumzana Rutendo Matinyarare useveze ukuthi ke umuntu obembhadala ku ZANU PF ukuthi ayiqhubeke eyisekela iZANU PF ngokuda kwashe Takwirei njalo waveza ukuthi banenge abantu ke abakhokhelayo eveza abantu abanjengabo Professor Jonathan Moyo njalo waveza labantu abanjengo Joshua Mabonga ukuthi umbona nje esekela iZANU PF ke aze aguqe ngamadolo kungenxa yokuthi ke uyabhadalwa ngumnumzana kudakwashe Takwirei okumangalise uZulu kakhulukazi njalo ke okunye okuhlasimulise ke umzimba ukuthi izolo ikula le ZANU PF labakhokhela baku Politburo kuthiwa ke lihlangene njalo bathatha isinqumo sokuthi uRutendo Matinyarare kumele ke abulawe asifisele ukuthi ke umuntu abulawe loba ke umuntu engowezanu akwazi kwaba yinhloso yokuthi abantu babulawe njalo sikukhuluma lokho sikuveza sikhangelele ukuthi mhlawumbe bazoba lonembeza bahlehle emuva njalo kuyazakala ukuthi banenge abantu abafisa babulawe ikakhulu labo abaphikisana lembono yabo ngeze politiki. Induna enkulu yasenkayi uDakamela ke umangalise isizwe lapho ke abambanise amanyanisa isizwe sonke sakomthwakazi sathi gwaqa enkayi esigabeni lapho ke aphethe khona lapho akade bamba uhlelo olubizwa ngokuthiwa imiklomelo kaDakamela lapho ahlonipha imisebenzi yabantu ababebenze kuhle esigabeni sakhe kunye labantu base-Afrika jikelele. Kukhanya ke imiklomelo kaDakamela yona isile minyaka emine iyala ilokhe indlondlobala lokho kudalwa isimilo sika mnumzana ke uDakamela sinanzelele ukuthi ke induna yabantu kayikabi lenkosikazi kuthe lapho ke lapho ke intombazana ebiqhamuka kwelase South Africa esigabeni saKwaNdebele yona evela ebukhosini iveza isipho kunduna yabantu abathathela izindaba njengenhlala yenza ke zafeza indaba ezingayisizo ngenxa yokukhohlakala zisithi ke leyo ntombazana inikezwe ke induna uDakamela okuyinto engayisiyo lokho ke akuzange kudale ingxabangxoza entweni enhle enziwe nguDakamela besibuka abantu bebebuka bejabula amalanga lawa adluleyo ke sizwe induna yabantu ichasisa ukuthi hayi ke ayisikho lokho obekushiwo ngabantu ukuthi inikezwe intombi kodwa isithi ke makuyikuthi intshisekelo kaZulu isangakwenza ke lokho kwenzakale njalo ma lentombi ivuma ukuthi ke ibe umka Dakamela kukhanya abantu abaningi bebekuqhuquzela kakhulukazi ngoba ke amapikisha avele asabalala ilizwe lonke kodwa ke siyahalalisela ke induna yasenkayi ngiqhamuka enkayi ke mina enkayi ikho kwenzakala khona izinto ezinhle kakhulukazi komthwakazi induna ubaba uDakamela ngomsebenzi awenzileyo lalabo abathuleyo lalabo abangawusekeliyo bayoze bayivume ke induna yesizwe ake ngibonge bakwethu ke simlalele lapha ke ePaula ngamafishane.
Bonga baba Ndebele. Izolo it was a beautiful day. Amakhosi abuyile ngobuningi babo, different delegations showing culture, and yesterday bekufanele kuvule amanala abakwaNdebele njengamhlanje kumele bevule ngeFriday but because of isikhathi abasafika ngesikhathi. So izolo bebetshengisa iculture yabo, betshengisa imvunulo yabo. So what they did not present a gift because at the same time I don't think it is a good way to say a person can be a gift in this day and age and a princess for that matter. So they did not present a person, but she was carrying a gift that she presented to Chief Dagamela and the family, and then they wished to ukuthi bathi bona siyafisa ukuthi hayi sithi sibuya next year sithole sokule nkosikazi kumbe sokule nkosikazi kumbe sokule ndlovukazi kungayisikho ukuthi bathi sebenginikeze umuntu yena muhle sifile mhlawumbe abantu yikho abakufisayo ukuthi kuphume. So lamsomela ibe indoda ngizama ukuthi nxa ukuthi kufunwa isizwe sizama ukusondela khona phana but akapresentwanga as a gift. Kulelungelo lakhe lokuzikhethela umuntu amfunayo present as a gift. So yeah, mbona the situation ekhona ukuthi hayi lokupresenta a gift not a person. So thanda ukuthi khona ku abantu bebekwazi and also isifiso zikhona ezika-amukela ukuthi abanye bafisa ukuthi hayi ngawe uyabuya lapha ebabambeni koDagamela kuzasukela kuye lokhana enhlizweni ngalami ngingasukuma njengendoda nisondele.
Umbishop webandla le-ZCC kwelase-Zimbabwe usemangalise abantu abanengi lapho ephumele obala ukuthi yena wathola imali yezanu njalo lokho kumenza ke asekele ukuguqulwa kwesisekelo sombuso njalo ubuye wathi uyachitha amazwi abantu abathi imali yezanu ingcolile kukanti labo bantu besamukela imali engcolileyo kumazwe njengawase-America kunye lamazwe angaphesheya. Lokho kumangalise kakhulukazi abantu baseZimbabwe okubonakalayo ukuthi ke labo bantu ke abazenza abantu abangongcwele ikakhulu abangabafundisi kuzwe laseZimbabwe sibabone kakhulukazi lapho uMnangagwa ebathenga ngezimali bethengeka nje kalula bethatha izipho abakwazi mhlophe ukuthi lezo zipho zithengwe ngemali etshontshelwe uZulu. uZulu elala engadlanga, uZulu ethwele kanzima ngenxa yombuso olodlame, umbuso webandla le-ZANU-PF. Asimzweni ke ekhuluma
Witness Chifai wakati besera unokuramba chiti besera chirizo wakati besera nemari neindakire kwai munhu wakati Bishop munopuwa dirty money. Ndikati dirty money? Yes, yakabvipi dirty yakadeti vanlanda. She is not dirty. Blood, ine blood. Vamwe vose vamunoona makasvotora muchida munoda mari dzinobva America, munoda kupuwa madonation anobva, munoona kuti vakazvitora sezvinhu izvozvo. Munoona vamwe vanhu vanobvisiwa vachinyika dzichingotogwa oiri yotogwa zvichidero ende mogashira donation. Now mozoti unoringatikira muno makuda is corrupt. Tinovatenda vana Wigner vose vakomana nevamwe. In fact, Your Excellency, tichakunyorera tsamba very soon kuti muuye kuzoona the first of its kind indigenous university ine chirenje uripo mukomana ndambonekera chairman Professor Zobo, Professor Bishop Zobo nozinataka shara kuti vaite fundraising. Munhu munotenga kudana hatidi mari inobva America, hatidi inobva kuSwitzerland, tinoda munhu toda kutenga kuinvita president. Amen.